Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah, Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SE Plus. Got a brand new rear entry conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch and I flip. The clamps keep the ramp from rattling. They're a great design. Check it out. I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. Tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate that 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entries. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out in the wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. Rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we do sell a side entry, we sell full-size vans, we sell wheelchair accessible trucks and SUVs. Check out our over 85 vehicles online ready to go today on our website. And if you don't see it on our website, we've probably got it getting ready. Give me a call, I'll help you find it. 800-pound weight capacity. You got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, and then 56 once you're inside the van. Has your 8 tie-down points. It's a deep cut conversion. Can hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or the gurney or the stretcher. We can add the gurney kit. We can add flip base seats in this. We can add a 3rd row seat in this. My point is, let us know what you need to use the vehicle for. Let us help modify this van to meet your needs. Cup holders in the rear. Headliner looks great. Rear air controls. We got the upgraded Q-strength tie downs. A lot of companies are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in at no additional charge to you. Got your Q-strength warranty and tie down information there. Got your cup holders, plug-ins for your electronics, more cup holders, dual climate control, rear air. Got all your plug-ins for your auxiliary cord there. You can sync up your phone. The dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. And steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. So when you're got everybody secured, come back out simply, reverse the process. Check it out, 1 finger, that's all it takes. Super reliable, super simple, not gonna leave you stranded like a lot of those power ramps and doors will do from time to time. So if you can get by with a manual ramp and door, it is a great idea. And yes, this van is ADA compliant. It's got tinted windows, it's got the alloy wheels, the nice silver color, it's got a nice look to it. It's got darn near brand new Firestone tires on it. Tons of tread, they're all great brand. So really good tires on this van. As I do a walk around, looking for any dents or scratches in the van. It's very clean. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you it's perfect, but it's a nice clean van, certainly, like all of our vehicles. And how I tell you all the time how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your next wheelchair accessible van. How we do it is simple. It's low overhead. We have one central location right here in the middle of the country, Wichita, Kansas. That allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. Saves you money. The other thing is, I want you to imagine our competitors with 10, 20, 50 stores. I want you to imagine all the overhead they have every month compared to our one store. That's how we beat their prices by $5,000 to $10,000 per van. And no matter who you do business with, get online, have them send you a video of the VIN number. I apologize. Video of the VIN number here. That way you know the vehicle's in my possession. Make sure you get that. Protect yourself. The scammers on Facebook Marketplace are just going to steal our pictures. They're going to try to sell the van like it's theirs when they don't even have it in their possession. Get that video and protect yourself. It's starting to rain here, so I'm going to do this a little out of order what I normally do. Let me go ahead and check out the interior of the vehicle as well. It's a black cloth interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. You can see when I turn the van on. 38,940 miles, no check engine lights, no airbag lights, no ABS lights. And I've got here that radio works. Showing you the back here, also very clean. And a little layout for those of you that aren't real familiar with these vans. I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm gonna show you those working here. We test the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Taking these vans on a road test, check the tires, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we do not just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection. I'm even showing you the back vents before they hit my lot. So let's pop the hood here so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, we have a 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. Purrs like a kitten. As I get on the ground, look underneath the van, you can see much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any rust from being up north, and no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And that's the number one mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's low miles, they assume it runs and drives good, they assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. That's the most dangerous thing you can do. So go check out my competition and ask yourself, do they show me a detailed video of the undercarriage so you know exactly what you're getting? No damage, no flood damage. Do they show you the reputation online, which I'm about to do, so you can see they've got a good reputation, they're honest and fair? Do they show you a free Carfax report, so you know you got buying a vehicle, it's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been a flood or bad accident? Do they get down on their hands and knees and even bother taking a couple pictures, much less a detailed video of the van, so you know exactly what you're getting? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. Tell me what ends up happening if you end up buying a van you can't get a title for because you deal with a shady individual, or a van that it won't pass inspection in your state because it's got a frame damage or flood damage shown on the frame. In both those cases, and in many more, if that happens, you just bought a van you can't drive. So to avoid those issues and so many more, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around, folks. This is a major purchase. You're not buying an $80 pair of shoes off eBay. This is a big purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second, I demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I insist on the Carfax before I buy, because I want to know what I'm buying. I insist on the best. For a purchase of this magnitude, you better too. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out the reputation and reviews. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Good at any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. And I mentioned also, we get up on top, we show you the roof. I show you pictures and video of the roof. You know how many vehicles I see at auction every week that have flood damage? That, you know, people just take them to auction, dump them off, or they have damage on the roof. But the sellers never fix the roof, and they never mess with the frame underneath because no one looks at that stuff. You know who looks at that stuff? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at that stuff. So let me show you the Carfax real quick, and then we'll get her on a test drive. What we do with that Carfax, or that VIN number, run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we buy it. You can see this had minor damage before. I'm going to show that to you, but Carfax shows just the 1 row here. If it had 2 rows, it'd mean 2 owners, 3 owners, it'd mean 3 owners. I don't know why they don't always show the number of owners, but Carfax is indicating this is 1 owner. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a 1 owner clean title. Carfax shows no structural damage. Airbags have never deployed. Odometer's accurate. Again, does show the minor damage. I'll scroll down and show that to you right now. It shows handful of service records on this vehicle. Vehicle last serviced at almost 38,000 miles, a low few miles since that's happened. It does show in December 2023 minor damage. It says damage to the left front. Minor damage is usually cosmetic, including dents or scratches to the vehicle body. I'm not opposed to buying a 2016 vehicle that's had a fender painted. Again, Carfax shows no structural damage, like the frame's never been bent and the airbags have never gone off. So just simple paint work. So no big deal. No matter who you do business with, find them online. Check out their ratings and reviews. Look at us on eBay. 1,580 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback, 100%. I'd say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure they have a lot of reviews. Make sure you're not getting scammed. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. I hear horror stories all the time about people buying from the general public or a low-end dealer that's got 1 and 2 and 3-star ratings instead of the 4.8 like we have. They end up buying a vehicle, got a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, major mechanical issues, engine, transmission, major electrical problems, just thousands and thousands of dollars of damage they weren't notified of. So hey, if you want the 1 and 2 and 3-star experience, you go ahead and deal with the low-end dealers and the general public. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service with the best prices in the country, we look forward to working with you. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy, the steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise, runs and drives very nice down the highway. Gets up to about 65 miles an hour, no problems. I get the cruise control set, cruise works good. And do keep in mind, we have a complimentary 90-day warranty at no additional charge to you. 90-day, 3,000 miles. We do sell longer term warranties, They cover more components on the vehicle that go as far as, I believe, 4 years on this vehicle. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they've got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up the cost of all their hidden fees and the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they have a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. And at the bottom of this ramp, I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake. You'll see there's no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, which is all exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call or a text message, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That's a direct line to reach out to me. Feel free to call or preferably text us. If you text, that is by far the quickest way to get a response. Any of my employees can respond from our system as soon as possible. But if you do need to call, you're welcome to. And I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to reach out to, call, or text the owner of the company. Or do you get to call in, talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person, is that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this Caravan, whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do take trade-ins from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. We can explain how that works. And we have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email. If computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We're happy to take a call over the phone. If you ever do want to come in to see our inventory, we do welcome that, but we do require that you make an appointment. We stay extremely busy doing auctions, transporting vehicles, working with customers. You must make an appointment. Help us get all the vehicles you want to see in the right location. We'll get you taken care of. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but like I mentioned, I know it's a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this of each vehicle, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every vehicle, and no hidden fees. So you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.